Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to MEXC. For that, first of all, you will have to launch Bybit and then you will have to tap on Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you have found USDT, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be asked to provide the address. First, so we need to get that address from MEXC. So you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and after that, you need to tap on Wallets. Then you need to tap on deposit. After that, among the given coins, you need to select USDT and then it will ask you to select the network. So you can select any of the networks that are given over here. For this video, I am going to select the BEP20 as it has very less gas fees. After selecting it, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address on BNB Smart Chain. So you just have to copy it from here. Then you will have to come back to your Bybit account. Then you need to paste that address in this section. After that, you will have to select the same network that we have selected in MEXC, which was the BEP20. So after selecting it, you will have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Bybit account to MEXC. And then you simply need to press this withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.